How to recover deleted photos using App Dumpster. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar. Now type App Dumpster. Now click on search. Now tap on Dumpster app. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for some time. After installing, simply tap on open. Again wait for some time. Now tap on the cross icon at the top left corner. Now give the permissions. Now enable the toggle and simply go back. Now tap on deep scan. Now here you can find all the photos or videos you deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.